Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to talk about the selling mechanism using the point of sales youth ERP program from the icons point of sales, cash sales, enter. We can search for items using barcode or item information. By using item information, this item, look, we can choose the quantity 1 or 2 or 3 and the unit for this item, and we can change the price of this item, and we can choose the customer name using the information or of customer, or phone number. We can give him amount discount or percent discount. Then save. We have more than one payment, either cash, Visa, Master, cash, Visa, Master, Mada. Then save.